Hello, my name is Pia. I was at my local thrift store, got 2 pieces, and today we're gonna adjust and change them together to create some new pieces. So let's get started. So this is the first pants I got. It's a little bit too wide for me, so I decided to make it tighter and flared in the bottom. I measured the waist and measured my own waist and see the difference between it, and then just reduce it and put a pin there to mark it. I do this on both sides. And then I go down 21 centimeters to go to my biggest hip point, and mark it also with a pin on both sides. And then I measure the distance between these 2 pins and also see the difference between my own hip. And then I draw a line or a curve down from my waist to my hip, and then I cut off all the sides all the way down. For the flared leg, I measured the distance from where I want to start the flared leg. I took 30 centimeters. I would recommend to take a bit more. And then I start sewing. And I'm sewing from my waist down to the marked point where the flared leg is starting. So this is how I made the pattern for the piece I put in between to make the pants flared. It's a triangle. I made it 30 centimeters high and I think like 20 centimeters in the length. And I choose like a corduroy brown material which already had a seam in the bottom, so I didn't have to make one, so I took only 1 centimeter seam allowance. I attached this piece to the pants with some pins. And then I start to sew on both sides. And then we are already done. So this is the result. I'm quite happy with it. So the next piece is this jacket. I think it's quite dope like this, but I decided that I want to do a skirt and a shorter jacket out of it, because I always wanted to have one like this. So we start to measure the length of the skirt. I took like 43 centimeters or something, and then I marked the line with a pen, and then I cut it with the scissors. And then I took the seam allowance of 1 centimeter and fold it inside and pin it so it stays where it should be. So, and then I start to sew it down, all the way down. I took the whole piece and laid it around my body so it's perfectly aligning to my body. Then I mark down where the buttonhole is so I can put a button there. And then I started to attach the button. And then we're already done. I really like this set. I think it's quite nice. Thanks for watching and have a nice day.